Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make someone else as admin on your Instagram group chat. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram group chat. So we can tap on this Instagram direct message to open our group chat and select a group chat. And for example, I'm gonna go with this group chat because I'm the admin of this group chat. So just remember that you can make someone else as admin if you are the admin of the group chat. So we can tap on the group chat to open it, then tap on the group chat's name, then click on the people option, and here's the members of this group chat, and you can select the account that you want to make as an admin on your group chat. And I'm going to select this account, so we can tap on this three dots button under the account and simply tap on make admin. Okay, now this account has become an admin of this group chat, and that's how we can make someone else as admin on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.